my common starting character but with a knife. In celebration of making the video, I've got another migraine. So actually this is a development of a sketch from maybe a couple of years ago already. Not gonna lie, the sketch looked more lively. Paints here are Holbein watercolors, and the masking fluid is from PBO, which was a poor choice. I guess I just gotta be thankful that it didn't rip the paper off. The paper is some random sketchbook from a local art shop with at least some amount of cotton in it. And my main brush is from AliExpress. So here's my girl in all her invasive glory.